Here we have our flash dryer. This is a 16 by 16 BBC flash dryer, and we're going to use this to cure our plastisol ink. So we'll go ahead and position that over, and I have a laser temperature gun I'm going to use to measure the surface of the print. And it's at about 338 degrees. I'm going to bring it over here to make sure we cure all areas of the print. And I'm going to bring it back, kind of in 4 separate quadrants. And the whole time I'm looking at this surface temperature of our ink to make sure we're getting it. In this case, we want to get it over 260 degrees because we're using F&N ink, and we know we need it to cure at higher than 260 for 10 seconds. And beautiful. You want to make sure you get all 4 corners of your print. You don't want any areas that are not cured all the way because your ink will wash out when you wash the shirt. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and wheel this over to the side. So, we can remove our shirt by lifting it up off the platen and pulling it straight back. And we have a nice one-color plastisol shirt. If you want more info on the products used to print this shirt, visit our website, www.norcalsps.com. All of our information is on the website. You can order this printing press. You can order the screen pre-burned with your image on it. You can order all the supplies that I've used here, including the flash dryer. And we have a number of other resources on our website.